Do you know why people say bless you after you sneeze? There's actually a science behind it. When you sneeze, the pressure inside your chest suddenly shoots up. This briefly changes the blood flow to your heart. At the same time, a major nerve called the vagus nerve gets stimulated. Together, these effects can momentarily slow your heart rate or make it feel like it skipped a beat. But don't worry, this isn't dangerous at all. It's just a temporary rhythm change, and your body immediately corrects it. And here's a fun fact. There was once a person who reportedly sneezed continuously for 2 years and 8 months. So the next time someone blesses you after a sneeze, you'll know it's more than just tradition.